Welcome to season 7, episode 21 of the Boostly podcast. Today, I've got someone very, very, very special. We're very lucky to have Jessica Lorimer on as a podcast guest. We're going to be talking a lot today, obviously, about selling to corporates, B2B, business bookings, whatever you want to call it. When it comes to approaching businesses or going B2B, people sort of get freaked out a little and they get overwhelmed, and just like with everything, when you get too overwhelmed, just leave it. Why do you think that people might have that sort of mindset, the scared of sort of selling to corporates, and why do you think it would be really beneficial, specifically for people doing short stay accommodation, to sort of open your eyes to it a little bit more and sort of bring it into your marketing?
Yeah, completely. I think it's a really normal reaction to not want to sell to corporates. So for anyone out there who's thinking, oh my God, I've never wanted to sell to a corporate, I totally hear you. Nobody else does either. You know, it's always the first reaction that people have. I think there are a couple of reasons. One is that generally people have had a bad experience working for a corporate in a previous life. You know, most people have come from an employed background, and so they've dealt with the red tape and the politics and they didn't enjoy it, and that's why they've gone on to create a hospitality business. And so they can't see themselves working with a corporate because all you see is the negative remembrance, like the negative memories of that.
What sort of tactics and tips could you share here for somebody?
The first thing is it's really important to segment your marketing. And I really like what you said, that, you know, most people don't do a lot of proactive marketing because we think it's sleazy or salesy, or that it's going to be a burden, or that it's going to feel gross. And to be honest, when you first start, it probably will. But the difference with selling to corporates is that it requires two types of content. So one is proactive, where we're directly outreaching and starting a conversation. And that's infinitely easier, and it's much, much easier to generate revenue doing that.